Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now. My name is Laddie and today we will share with you a detailed step-by-step recipe for one of Goa's most iconic and loved dishes. It's spicy, it's tangy and utterly delicious. The meat is marinated in a specially prepared spicy and tangy paste and left overnight to absorb all those amazing flavors. Then slow cooked to tender perfection. The aroma while cooking is guaranteed to make your mouth water. Our recipe for today is delicious Goan Pork Vindaloo. Step 1. Preparing the meat. Take 1 kg of boneless pork meat with fat. We have used the shoulder cut, but you can also use the belly portion or any other cut with fat. Wash the pork and pat dry it with a kitchen towel. Cut the pork into cubes. Once the meat is cut, place it in a glass bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix it nicely. Cover and keep it aside to rest while you prepare the marinade. Step 2. Ingredients for the marinade. Take 16 red Kashmiri chilies. You can replace few Kashmiri chilies with Bedgi chilies if you want your Vindaloo a bit more spicy. Break the Kashmiri chilies into smaller pieces. Discard some of the seeds and all the stems. Take 16 medium cloves of garlic. Cut them into small pieces. 1-inch piece of ginger. Cut it into smaller pieces. Half teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. 1 teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds. 1/4 teaspoon of black peppercorns. 1-inch stick of cinnamon broken into pieces. 8 cloves. 1 teaspoon of salt. Take 3/4 cup or 180 ml of Goan vinegar. If Goan vinegar is not available, apple cider or palm vinegar can be used. Step 3. Preparing the marinade. In a mixer grinder, add the cut pieces of garlic. Also add the cut pieces of ginger. Add the cumin or jeera seeds. Add the cinnamon sticks, black peppercorns, cloves, salt, turmeric or haldi powder. Add half cup or 120 ml of vinegar now. Keep 1/4 cup or 60 ml of vinegar to use later while grinding if required. Add the broken Kashmiri chili pieces. Grind to a smooth paste. Marinade paste is ready. Use 1/4 cup or 60 ml of water to rinse the paste left in the mixer and save the marinade water in a bowl to use later while cooking. Step 4. Marinating the meat. Add the ground marinade paste in the meat bowl. Apply the paste properly to all the pieces of meat. Marinated meat is ready. Cover and keep aside for at least 2 hours at room temperature, or best to keep it overnight in the refrigerator. But first, keep it outside at room temperature for at least an hour before putting it in the refrigerator. Also keep the marinade water in the refrigerator. Step 5. Preparing the other ingredients for cooking. If the meat was kept in a refrigerator, then remove it out half an hour before cooking. Now take 1-inch ball of tamarind in a bowl. Add half cup of warm water. Soak the tamarind in warm water. After 15 minutes or so, squeeze out the pulp of the tamarind. Discard any seeds, fibers or hard outer cover. Keep aside the tamarind pulp to use while cooking. You will also need 1 tablespoon of sugar while cooking. Take 4 medium-sized onions and slice them long. Open up the sliced onions as much as you can with your hands. Add the sliced onions into the bowl of meat. Mix everything properly.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Step 6. Cooking the meat. Place an open, thick bottom pan on medium heat and add the marinated meat. Do not add any oil as this is a no oil recipe as the pork has fat. Try and place the fat pieces at the bottom. Cover and cook. Cooking the meat without water will lock in the juices and make it tender and flavorful. After 5 minutes, open the pan, stir everything properly, bringing the lower pieces up and taking the pieces from top and placing them at the bottom. This will ensure that all the pieces are cooked evenly. Cover and cook again for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open the pan and stir everything like you did before. Now add the marinade water which we got after rinsing the mixer. Also add the tamarind pulp. Stir everything properly.
Help us spread the love for Goan cuisine. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos, and please share them with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from our recipes. Do comment with your feedback and suggestions to help us make our videos even more better for you.
Cover and cook for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open the pan, stir everything properly. Add 1.5 cup or 360 ml of water. Stir it nicely. Now reduce the heat to medium-low. Cover and cook for around 15 minutes. Stir occasionally to prevent anything from sticking to the bottom of the pan. After 15 minutes, open the pan. Stir everything nicely. Add another half cup or 120 ml of water. Check the consistency before adding water. Stir everything properly. Cover and cook for another 10 to 15 minutes. Open the pan after 10 to 15 minutes. Stir everything nicely. Now add the sugar. Stir everything properly. Check for salt, spice, sweetness, sourness, and add anything that is required. We added half teaspoon of salt. Stir everything properly. Check if the meat is cooked. You will notice oil floating on the top. This is also an indication that the meat is ready. If your meat is cooked, turn off the heat. If not, cover and cook for some more time. Cooking time will also depend on the cut of meat. We cooked for around 10 minutes more until the meat was completely done. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. Delicious pork vindaloo is ready. Serve the pork vindaloo hot with pulao, rice, bread or sannas. Pork vindaloo tastes better when it is kept in the refrigerator and enjoyed after 2-3 days.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.